The topic of today is malaria. Blood parasites of the genus Plasmodium. So what is malaria? तुम्हाला माहीत असेल मलेरिया हा डासांमुळे होणारा आजार असतो ज्याच्यामध्ये ताप येतो, थंडी वाजून येते आणि बाकीची काही सिम्पटम्स होतात. तर मलेरिया हा खूप कॉमन होणारा आजार आहे आणि तो पटकन डायग्नोज करणे हे पण गरजेचं असतं, नाहीतर त्याचा ताप हा आहे जो वाढतो आणि पेशंटची डेथ होऊ शकते. सो coming to the malaria, blood parasites of the genus Plasmodium. There are 4 species which utilize humans as natural intermediate host. These species are Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale and Plasmodium malariae. This is which mosquito is giving rise to this disease is Anopheles mosquito. This is the special mosquito to transfer the malaria. Then coming to the lab diagnosis of this, microscopic identification is the method most frequently used by using the peripheral smear examination, and another one is the rapid card test method. Both methods are good for the diagnosis, but peripheral smear examination is used at the rural centers also, where rapid card test may not be available. So you can see this is a peripheral blood smear film showing ring forms of tropocytes of Plasmodium falciparum. You can see we make the thick smear and thin smear on the film to identify these parasites. So you can see the ring like structures inside the RBCs on a thin and thick both blood films. This one is another slide showing the tropocytes of falciparum clearly. Now coming to the gametocytes. Gametocytes are mature form of this parasite. So you can see this banana like structure under thick blood film and also thin blood film. So this can be easily identified under the microscope. Then coming to the Plasmodium vivax ring form tropocytes. You can see the difference in the structure of the ring form. Here the ring is thick one and you can see it inside the RBC in both the thick and thin films. So these are the tropocytes of vivax. You can see clearly in both the thick and thin blood film. This is a scission of Plasmodium vivax, classically seen under the microscope, and you can identify it very well. This is macrogametocytes of vivax. This is a matured form. This is different than the falciparum. So with the structure you can identify the different forms of it. So then there is another method also which is called as rapid card test. Card test from which you can also identify the malarial whether the test is positive for malaria or not. So this is only for your information that there is a disease called malaria, and you should know the 4 forms of different malaria. The commonest form of malaria is falciparum and vivax. Other 2 forms are seen rarely.